Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily make playlists private on Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you get into Spotify, you just want to be in playlist in library, and right here hold a playlist and or like whatever playlist you got, and right the third option is going to be make secret. So click make secret. And right now, playlist is now secret. So if you're sharing your Spotify account with someone, you have with a family or whatever, no one will be able to see your playlist. So that's really great. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I will really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.